everybody, welcome to my channel and welcome to the Spooky Inspirations YouTube Hop, hosted by our Salty Beach scrapper, Kimmy Murray. There is a wonderful lineup of very talented crafters, and if you're starting with my video today, then you might have missed yesterday's videos, and there's still more to come today. So for a full lineup and links to all the channels, please see the description box below. There are going to be some prizes and some giveaways, and for more information on that, you need to watch each video and subscribe to all of the channels. You have until September 17th to watch all of the videos, and so you have plenty of time to sit back, eat some popcorn, and be inspired. After that, the giveaway will be closed and winners will be chosen and announced shortly after. So for my inspiration, I've chosen to make a vintage TV box, a haunted TV box. So I was scrolling through the Silhouette store and I came across this TV box, and for some reason my mind went immediately to horror movies, and I thought how fun that would be to create a box that had a scene from a scary movie on the TV. And so I rummaged through my stash and I found this paper collection I've had for quite a while. It's Cartabella and it's called Haunted House, and you can see here the image right here in that little box. And so this is from, oh gosh, about 4 years ago, and I thought, oh my gosh, this paper collection is perfect for this. And so I cut out this little picture and I designed my box from there. And so for more details on how I created the box and for a link to the file that I've used, then go to my tutorial video, and I'll link to that in the description box below. So I was determined to make this as vintage as I possibly could, and I think it turned out really cool. When I was a child, we had television sets that had like wood paneling on them. They really tried to make it look like a really nice piece of furniture in the home. And so I've got the wood paneling on all 4 sides and on the top here. And then you can see that I have creeped it out with some giant spiders, and the spiders just put me in mind of arachnophobia. Oh my gosh, I really jumped out of my seat watching that movie. And you know that scene where the couple is, I think it was Wheel of Fortune, and they're getting ready to watch Wheel of Fortune and they have the popcorn, and well, if you've seen it, you know the rest. If you haven't, I'm not going to say any more. Anyway, so that's all I creeped my television out with. I wanted to keep it simple, and it's a haunted TV, and it's being creeped out here, but it's not like an old cobweb in a haunted house TV. This is just something that you would watch, and then uh-oh, it's Halloween, and all of a sudden got the spiders coming. So anyway, that's what I had envisioned in my mind. And so anyway, I just really tried to keep it authentic as I could. So I have the little knobs here, and then of course I had to put the aluminum foil on the rabbit ears. Now you may have noticed I have here a TV guide, and there's actually a listing in the TV guide. So I hope I can show you. You're gonna have to excuse my big fat fingers for a minute. So you won't believe this. There is, and I've got to get close, a listing. Oh, I hope it focuses. gonna focus. I don't know if you can see that. There's a listing for October 31st in the evening. Oh my gosh, I was so excited to find that. So, yeah, my little TV guide is complete with the listing for Halloween night. And so all of the Halloween movies are listed there. And so, anyway, I just thought that was a really fun thing to make. And I was so determined to make that. I've never made anything like this before, a little mini book like this, and I'm really, really happy with the way it turned out. I tried to make it a little dog-eared, like it's been watched for the whole week of October, and yeah, anyway, very fun. So it does stand, it's about, let's see, how tall is it? I really don't know. Let's find out. It is 10 inches tall and it is 7 inches wide. And that's 10 inches tall with the antenna. Now it does open up here. It's got a magnetic closure. And so my TV comes complete with cobwebs inside. And yeah, so that's it. So I am going to put a photo album in here and making use of the rest of the Cartabella papers. And so I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can maybe catch that video. But before you move on to the next crafter, I do have one more little thing to show you. I had to make this cute little bitty TV box. Isn't this so cute? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So I used the Simple Stories Halloween, like Say Cheese Halloween version. I can't remember exactly what it's called. I think that's what it is, Say Cheese Halloween. And so I used some stripe paper to make a test screen here. And both of my television screens have like acetate to make it look a little more authentic. So that's why I don't have the lights completely like I normally would, because I just didn't want that glare on the screen. So I've made my little knobs and then the little family cat sitting here by the TV, and I've got bats gonna fly out of the TV. See there, and the little Happy Halloween here. See the bats are flying out of the TV, and then you got your graveyard inside. So I might make a little mini tag album or something to go inside this one. I don't know. Anyway, it's just really fun, and I do have a tutorial. I do a process on how I made this one, and I describe in pretty good detail and give you really good information on how to make the large one, including how to size it on your in your design space of your you know, whether your silhouette or whatever. And then for more information on all of that, please see the tutorial. I have all the information there. So anyway, as far as the giveaway is concerned, I am going to do a gift card from Amazon, and so the winner will be chosen on the 17th, and then I will announce the winner probably the next day or the day after, okay? And I will contact you, or I will watch for that video. If you hit that notification bell, you'll catch the video, and then I'll let you know who the winner is, and then a way to contact me actually, so that I can give you your prize. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been so much fun, and I've been so inspired. And make sure that you catch our next crafter, Tiffany Crafting Like a Boss McGill. She's absolutely fantastic, and I cannot wait to see what she has inspired us with. So again, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.